However, if you're interested in growing grapes from seeds obtained from store-bought grapes or other grape varieties, you can try the following method. Seed collection. Remove the seeds from ripe grapes and rinse them thoroughly to remove any pulp or debris. Seed scarification optional. Some gardeners recommend scarifying grape seeds by lightly sanding or nicking the seed coat to encourage germination. This step is optional but may help improve germination rates. Seed stratification optional. Cold stratification may also help break seed dormancy and improve germination rates. Place the seeds in a damp paper towel, seal them in a plastic bag, and refrigerate them for 1–3 months before planting. Seed planting. Fill small pots or seed trays with a well-draining potting mix. Plant the grape seeds about 1 inch deep in the soil, spacing them evenly apart. Germination. Place the pots in a warm, sunny location or under grow lights. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged, and germination should occur within 2–4 weeks. Transplanting. Once the seedlings have developed several sets of true leaves and are sturdy enough to handle, transplant them into larger pots or directly into the garden. Choose a sunny, well-drained location with plenty of space for the grapevines to spread out. Training and pruning. As the grapevines grow, train them onto a trellis or support structure to encourage upward growth and proper vine development. Prune the vines regularly to remove any dead or diseased growth and to shape the plants for optimal fruit production. Pollination and fruit development. Most grape varieties are self-pollinating, meaning they do not require cross-pollination from another plant to set fruit. However, having multiple grapevines nearby can increase pollination and fruit yield. Harvesting. Depending on the grape variety, it may take 2 to 5 years for newly planted grapevines to mature and produce fruit. Harvest the grapes when they reach full ripeness, which is typically indicated by their color, flavor, and sweetness. It's important to note that grapevines grown from seeds may not necessarily produce fruit that is similar to the parent grapes or that is suitable for consumption. Additionally, grapevines grown from seeds may take longer to mature and produce fruit compared to those propagated vegetatively. For these reasons, most grape growers prefer to propagate grapes from cuttings or by grafting to ensure consistent fruit quality and characteristics.